Hey guys, today we will be making a chocolate cake without oven for beginners. This is a super moist chocolate cake recipe made without oven, egg, butter or chocolate. So without any further ado, let's begin. In a bowl, take half cup milk, 3/4 cup curd or 120 grams. Ensure the milk and curd are at room temperature. To this, add about half a teaspoon of baking soda. Give this a whisk and add a teaspoon of vinegar and set this aside for about 5 minutes. Now in a large bowl, add half cup of oil. You can take any neutral oil of your choice, 1 cup or 160 grams of powdered sugar. Whisk them well until the sugar melts with oil and forms a homogeneous mixture. This is an important step, hence continue to whisk until it looks something like this. To this, add the prepared buttermilk and curd mixture and whisk them well until they are well combined and looks smooth. In the meanwhile, if you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe and leave your name in the comment section down below so that you can get a shout out in my next video. Now place a sieve, add about 1.5 cups or 190 grams of maida. To this, add about half cup of milk powder, half cup of cocoa powder or 60 grams, a teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt. Now sift all the dry ingredients into the wet mixture. Since this is an eggless cake, sifting your dry ingredients is an important step. Sifting your dry ingredients will aerate the mixture and help incorporate more air into the batter. Now with a very light hand using a whisk, gently combine the wet and dry ingredients. Do not overmix at this stage. I am using a whisk just to remove lumps. If you are not confident, just switch to spatula and mix it using a cut and fold method. Now using a spatula, I am just combining this so that there are no uneven mixture in the batter. Now divide this equally into two 6-inch pans. I have already preheated my oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Now to bake this without an oven, I have preheated my cooker. For this, add a cup of salt. I have already uploaded a video on how to use your cooker as an oven. Link in the card above and description box below. Do not forget to check this out. Place a stand, close the lid and preheat this for about 10 minutes in medium-low flame. Now immediately place the cake tin. Ensure to be careful as the cooker is hot at the moment. Now close this and bake in medium-low flame for about 30 to 35 minutes. Now we are going to make a very simple decoration. For that, take about 100 ml of chilled whipping cream. Start whipping at speed 3 for about 2 to 3 minutes until the mixture becomes. Now add about 3 to 4 teaspoons of powdered sugar. My whipping cream is already sugar in it, so I'm adding less sugar. Add about 4 teaspoons of cocoa powder. Give this a mix before switching on the beater and continue to whip this in high speed for about 2 to 3 minutes. After a couple of minutes, your cream will start doubling in volume and starts forming ribbons. This is the correct consistency to know that your cream has been beaten well and is forming stiff peaks. Now I am transferring the whipped cream frosting into a piping bag with a nozzle. Set this aside so we can start assembling our cake. Place the first layer of the cake. Add strawberry compote. A recipe how to make this homemade strawberry compote is up on the channel. I will leave it in the card above or in the description box below. Don't forget to check this out. Now evenly spread a layer of the compote. Now using the whipped cream frosting, decorate the sides. You can just add a layer of the frosting if you do not have nozzle. Now place the second layer and repeat the steps. I'm just piping in simple decorations to cover the rim of the cake. You do not need to use any sugar syrup to moisten the cake as the cake is already super soft and moist. Since this is a beginner friendly video, I've kept the decorations super chic and simple. Delicious super moist chocolate cake without oven is ready. If you enjoyed this recipe, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to this channel and I will see you in my next video.